Hi everyone, today we're gonna make this Rubik's Cube. This Rubik's Cube is not ordinary Rubik's Cube. To find out what's so special about this cube, keep on watching. First thing first, let me show you how I make this cube. To make this cube, you will need pound cake, candy milk, and M&M candy. First, we're gonna cut pound cake into cube. You can cut it in any size you want. I use M&M candy to measure out the size I wanted and then cut along the side, so that will make sure the candy will fit my cube. Once we have our cube, I'm gonna slice into 3 pieces. Then use cookie cutter, cut out the center piece. Now I'm gonna use candy milk to group 3 pieces together. Before we glue around the last piece, we're gonna put some surprise in the center. You can fill in anything you want. After you glue on the last piece, let it dry for a few minutes. Now we're gonna take our cube, dip into candy milk, and smooth out the edge, and let it dry. Once it's dry, now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. After we're done, we're gonna glue our candy on the top and let it dry. Once it's dry, we can start working on the other side. The same, just use candy milk and glue the candy on each side. Ta-da! Now our edible and portable Rubik's Cube is done. Now it's time to find out why it's so special about this cube. This cube is one of the most powerful tools you can use in Toy Blast. Toy Blast is like Candy Crush or Cookie Gems that you can play on your iPhone or iPad or any other smart device. It has a total of 180 levels. You can play alone or play with friends. I have been on this game for a while now. I have so much fun to play with these games. My friend told me it's even better on level 170 to 180s. I'm on 110 now. I can't wait to get there. Make a comment down below and let me know if you are onto this game just like me and what level are you on. For those of you who haven't tried yet, I have to warn you, this game is very addictive. If you still want to try it, I will leave a link down below. It's free to download and free to play. Now I'm going to show you some of my victory moments with this game. Here is my magic Rubik's Cube. Yeah! If you can get 2 cubes together, it's even better and more powerful on most levels. You can knock out an entire board with 2 cubes. And that's why I like this Rubik's Cube so much. enjoy these videos Now it's time to get back to my toy brass. I will see you in next videos. Bye!